The suburb of Lakewood, just west of Denver, stretches along the base of the Rocky Mountains. A lovely downtown area, inspiring arts community, lush open spaces, and renowned historic landmarks like Casa Bonita make it a captivating destination. At the heart of Lakewood is Belmar, a modern outdoor shopping district. The central plaza, which changes seasonally to host live music, ice skating, and other festivities, is surrounded by cafe patios and 22 city blocks of urban amenities. Shops, restaurants, and entertainment options range from local favorites to brand names. This is an extremely walkable area, so get out and enjoy the Colorado sunshine while you peruse the restaurants. After a meal, you can stroll to the cinema, bowling alley, or art galleries. September brings food, wine, and music to the streets of Belmar with Festival Italiano, a beautiful celebration of Italian culture and cuisine. Just west of Belmar are Lakewood's Heritage and Cultural Centers. The Lakewood Heritage Center is another great walkable location, with fascinating artifacts and historic buildings that provide a glimpse into the town's agricultural past. Its modern amphitheater is the gorgeous setting for a summer concert series. The Lakewood Cultural Center is a performance venue and artistic hub. Stop in to enjoy free art galleries or world-class music, theater, and dance. The calendar presents everything from nationally recognized stand-up comedians to Lakewood's very own symphony orchestra. Over a quarter of this town is dedicated to open space and pet-friendly parks. Bear Creek Lake Park is a large natural area that offers opportunities to camp, hike, bike, and horseback ride. It's also the ideal spot for a variety of water sports and lake activities like trout fishing. Green Mountain, which rises high above the city, makes for a majestic day hike. The championship golf courses Fox Hollow and Homestead feature a total of 5 unique 9-hole golf courses. With this landscape, get ready for a round of golf that you will never forget. Lakewood's outdoor lifestyle and artistic culture beautifully merge in its state-certified creative arts district. Located along historic West Colfax Avenue and RTD's W line, the 40 West Arts District is home to many creative businesses and Artline, a free 4-mile outdoor art gallery that weaves along sidewalks, park paths, and local streets. When it comes to food, there is no shortage of options in Lakewood. You'll find Italian, Mexican, and contemporary American cuisine, as well as specialties like tea houses, traditional German goulash, and Gulf Coast-inspired seafood boils. If you're looking for a meal with a side of unconventional entertainment, then Casa Bonita is the place. Opened in 1974, it's considered one of the country's top 10 roadside attractions. Inside and out, this one-of-a-kind Mexican fiesta will surprise and delight you with over 30 attractions, including waterfalls and cliff divers. In 2015, this Colorado institution was designated a historical landmark, but eventually shut down post-pandemic. In 2023, it was renovated and reopened by Trey Parker and Matt Stone of South Park fame. The creators of this animated sitcom, who fondly satirized Casa Bonita in a 2003 episode, shared the sentiment of many fellow Coloradoans who wanted the Casa Bonita experience to live on for future generations. Among many improvements, they partnered with James Beard Award-nominated chef Dana Rodriguez and brought the dream to life. To plan a visit, check reservation details online. Whatever brings you to Lakewood, the beauty, inspiration, or hype, it's easy to find your stride here. Just a 15-minute drive from the Mile High City, this place is a world all its own.